Hello, I'm Robert Spinner.
And I'm Akash Patel. As the course directors for the CNS Oral Board Review course, we can help you crush your oral board exam.
The ABNS oral exam is by far the most challenging and consequential test of your career. We invite you to join us and other expert faculty on March 4th and 5th for this virtual course that is efficient, rigorous, and relevant.
Hear from experts across neurosurgical specialties, engage in small group case breakouts for quizzing practice, and take advantage of a one-on-one session to review your own cases with faculty.
All registrants are invited to our evening hot seat Monday review sessions, taking place for several weeks following the course, in which attendees will have more opportunities to be quizzed by and ask questions of our faculty members.
Don't miss out on this chance to crush the oral board exam. We encourage you to register today by going to cns.org/oral board. We look forward to seeing you virtually in March.